Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on seeing your PlayStation 4 transaction history. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the dashboard of PS4, go up to the control panel and swipe to the right until you get to Settings and open them. In Settings, select Account Management. Next, select Account Information. On the next page, select Wallet. In Wallet Options, click Transaction History. Select a date range for the transaction history you want to see and then click Next. Your PlayStation transaction history will display here. You will be able to select a transaction to see more information about it. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more PlayStation tips and tricks.